We're Skyping live with Curtis Akins, Food University's star instructor. Curtis, you're one of the greatest chefs around. We all know that. I can say it.
Oh, thank you.
Everybody can say it. Give us a great recipe that people can try at home.
The recipe that I'm going to share with you today, I love. It's the recipe I served for Julia Child and Paul Prudhomme the first day I met them.
Wow.
It was an incredible day when I met them, Mark. But it was fresh pickled melons, and remember thinking, I'm going to serve Julia Child, the queen of food, this little easy recipe. But it could be a great transition if you're having a nice a big meal and you want to transition from the entree or the salad to the dessert course or to cheese. This is a great mezzo or a transition. Here I use 3 melons. I've got honeydew, cantaloupe, and watermelon, and I cut them into chunks, bite-sized chunks or larger, if you will. And then we use a bit of vinegar, a little bit of sugar, fresh dill, and just kind of marinate that over. Just kind of turn that over in that to make the fresh pickled melons. And I remember when I served it to Julia, she just loved it. And I think you guys will love it too. It's got the sweet and a little tart with the vinegar in there. And I may be leaving something out, but when you guys get the recipe on the website, when we get on the website, you can check it out. And I love getting your comments, but it's an easy, wonderful recipe. And my kids love that in the afternoon as a snack after school.
The vinegar, that's what does the pickling?
Yeah, the vinegar kind of gives that pickleish taste, and it's a fresh pickle. So really what it does, it gives it a little tart along with the sweet of the melons. All of the melons are in peak season, late summer, early fall, before we get into winter, and then we start getting the melons from other parts of the country, other parts of the world, the southern hemisphere. So right now, moms and dads, are you Food University enthusiasts, is when I want you to eat those fresh melons.
All right. Quick question about the recipe. If you cantaloupe, will your honey do?
Well, you know why the watermelon had such a big wedding?
Why?
They cantaloupe.
We'll be here all week. Check us out at My Food U. Curtis Akins, great recipe. We'll talk soon. Thank you.
I love the cantaloupe and the honeydew. That's a good one. Cantaloupe, honeydew. Oh.